Hey everybody, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half Forest River Arctic Wolf 311 ML fifth wheel. This is a rear kitchen fifth wheel. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of this new RV. Alright guys, we're now up inside this new Arctic Wolf fifth wheel, and as you can see from the floor plan that was just up, this is a rear kitchen 2 slide out fifth wheel, and we're looking toward the kitchen section here right now. You have the freestanding dinette with the 4 chairs, nice big windows in the rear section of the coach, gives you plenty of view out the back and also the side section there. This unit has a large pantry back here. Even has a little light in it there to just kind of help lighten it up at nighttime. But you do have a big pantry section you can see here. Plenty of room there to store your food and stuff. Spinning back around, kind of looking forward a little bit here. You have the Dometic 8 cubic foot gas and electric refrigerator in this model. Quite a bit of overhead cabinetry there. Traditional microwave. Does have the Greystone stove and oven with the glass front and glass top as well. Full extending ball bearing drawer guides. You got the single farm sink there. High-rise faucet there with the little sprayer thing. A lot of vinyl floor throughout the coach. Also, you'll notice on the newer versions, you'll see the new blinds. These blinds are pretty cool. Basically, you can kind of see through them, but then if you pull down a little bit further, it overlaps the stuff so that it kind of blocks out the view there. In the middle section of the fifth wheel is your living room area. You have 2 sofas that fold out into beds there, plus a theater seat here that does recline. Electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy space heater. Little radio up there. Plenty of room for a nice size flat screen TV there. Also a ceiling fan. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with more of my videos on these new RVs. Trying to get you some updates on all the new mid-year model change stuff. These theater seats here have a light built in, and they also have a heat and massage feature, which is kind of nice. You can kind of see the little light down there and also in the cup holder. And you have a little storage in the middle there. Going on up this way, we have the hallway area going up into the bathroom section and into the master bedroom section. Going up into the hallway, you have some of your controls for the slide, also for your awning, some light switches, monitor panels, battery condition, black and gray tank monitors. You've got your control for your air conditioner and furnace, and also your control for your auto level jack system there. Bathroom section here. Got a turbo fan up there. Does have heat and air conditioning in the bathroom. Got a nice size shower there. Foot flush toilet. Let's step on in here so you kind of get an idea what the sink area looks like. So we've got some storage down below. Pretty good sized medicine cabinet there. And then pretty good sized cabinet here also. Going on back out, we have the bedroom area up here. Now, this particular unit was ordered with 2 air conditioners, so you see the second air up here, which is also ducted in the system. Plenty of room to walk around the bed area here. The bed does raise up, so there is storage underneath of the bed. You have electric outlet and USB charging on both sides of the bed. Little closet on both sides of the bed. That's really just storage. There's a closet over here I'll show you, but there's just kind of a little storage area here. Traditionally, in a lot of brands, that would be a long closet, but they set it up a little differently because you have another closet over here. Stand back here and let you kind of get an idea of that. But you have a closet with some storage underneath section right there. And then you also have a TV area here. So the way they kind of designed this, the closet's a little separate from the traditional hanging closet on both sides of the bed. Don't forget to check out couchesrvnation.com. They're one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. We're going to take a few minutes and go around the outside of this fifth wheel and get you an idea what it looks like out there again. All right, guys, we're now back outside the Arctic Wolf 311 ML. And as you can see here, it is a fiberglass exterior. Has a nice fiberglass cap on the front, which does slope back and kind of bubble out a little bit to kind of give it a little better aerodynamics and a little bit better turning radius. Has LED light strips on the front just to kind of give it a little decorative light here for nighttime use. There is storage underneath this front section here. So you got a little bit of storage area under here. Battery compartment, battery disconnect back there. There's a light switch for the cap lights and a jack button for the landing gear here to go up and down. And it has the quick pull pins. This is a 4-point electric auto level system that's on this coach. So you pull the pins, drop the feet down, hit the auto level button, and it does it from there by itself. Now obviously if you're too out of level, you'd have to put some boards or something under it to help the jacks only go so far, but you kind of get the idea what it's supposed to do there. Power awning down the side has a blue LED light strip. You have a couple LED LED up speakers up there for outside use. Pre-wired for solar panel. Does have the little pet-friendly leash thing under here. And you also have an enclosed underbelly, which helps you for colder weather use and also helps repel some rodents and things like that. Pretty good sized storage compartment. Has an LED light strip also in here. Aluminum frame construction on your floors and walls. And you have TV outlet here. One of the things I like about their little TV setup, they also put a little thing here to feed the wiring through, so you don't have to actually leave the door open the entire time. So that helps with kind of keeping the hot and cold air out depending on the weather. Slam lock baggage doors, has a little magnetic holders to hold them up. Electric slide system. The unit does have aluminum wheels. There you can see the back auto level jack there. Also the More Ride independent step here, which basically comes down, touches the ground, and makes it more stable, doesn't shake the coach as bad when you're running in and out of there. Large folding entry handle. Back here is a gas hookup for a portable grill. The unit is pre-wired for a backup or observation camera. Definitely recommend the Furrion observation camera. It does really well. That's what it's pre-wired for. And that allows you to use it while you're driving down the road and also when you're backing up. Traditional 4-inch square tube bumper on the back. Great place to store your dump hose. You can mount a little bike rack to it or something like that. Spare tire mounted on the rear. Traditional gutter rails down both sides, has the 3-inch gutter extensions on there to kind of help shed away the water a little better. When you order it with the gas electric fridge, you have the 2 black panels here for venting purposes. If you do the 12-volt refrigerator, then you won't have those. Stove exhaust out there, outside utility shower, and your detachable power cord are right there. A dump area back here for the kitchen section. 6-gallon gas electric water heater right there. Now you do have 2 dump areas on this because the kitchen's all the way in the back and the bathroom is all the way in the almost all the way toward the front. So it is too far apart to get it to drain properly with just one outlet. So you do have 2 separate things there. Fresh water drain back there, gray tank here, and then there's a black handle right there. Little hookup area right here. You got your furnace exhaust out here. There is the city water and freshwater fill-ups, along with your black tank flush and your cable satellite inlets. Propane tanks, there are 1 on each side. I forgot to mention the other one on the other side, but you have 2 20-pound propane tanks. I like the 20-pounders because it's quick and easy to exchange them. So for your weekend camping trips and things like that, it's real quick and easy to run those to a quickie gas stop or someplace and exchange them out versus trying to find somebody to fill them on the big 30-pounders. Again, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of these videos. Toll-free number to Couch's RV Nation is 888-417-8299, extension 203. Now, some basic specs on the unit. You're going to find your VIN number, model number, production date, all that stuff here. 2 5,100-pound axles. And it has a gross vehicle weight of 11,645 pounds. That is your axle weight and your hitch weight combined. So never go over that. That risks damaging the unit. Tells you your tire size right here, 225 75 R15 E-range tires. Over here, you will find your actual dry weight of the coach. So the actual dry weight is 8,385 pounds. That is the overall weight of the coach. Again, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to check out Couch's RV Nation.